Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a double waterfall hairstyle. And what's really great about this style is you can customize it to your likings. You can do as many rows as you want, or you can style it in a bun, or you can put it into a ponytail. So it's really up to you. So if you want to see how to do this style, then just keep on watching. To start this hairstyle, I'm going to take a medium section of hair and I'm just going to divide it into two. And then I'm going to take the quick twist and I'm just going to clamp onto those two sections. Then I'm going to push up and this is going to twist both of the sections of hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this section and then I'm going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to pull it through, and I'm just going to use medium-sized sections, and then I'm going to twist again and I'm going to pull a section of hair through, and then I'm just going to continue doing the same thing all the way across. I'm just going to clip the hair down and then just make sure that it's covered, and I'm going to do the exact same thing going the other way. So much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want any more information, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!